Hello kids! Let's learn some colors and shapes. Sky blue color, light pink color, orange color, red color, yellow color, black color, pink color, green color, blue color, peacock green color, brown color, violet color, dark green color. Let's draw the shape. Diamond. Rectangle. Pie. Triangle. Arrow. Right triangle. Dark green color. Diamond. Diamond. Dark green color. Orange color. Rectangle. Rectangle. Yellow color. Pie. Yellow color. Brown color. Triangle. Brown color. Red color. Arrow. Arrow. Red color. Violet color. Right triangle. Right triangle. Violet color. Dark green color, orange color, yellow color, brown color, red color, violet color. Diamond. rectangle, pie, triangle, arrow, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.